Currently home to 16 roller coasters, Cedar Point in Sandusky, Ohio, has long been a destination for thrills. But alongside its towering coasters, is the park missing support attractions? One particular ride type that is lacking is indoor attractions. Is this what the park should build next? With a history dating back to 1870, Cedar Point installed its first roller coaster in 1892, eventually being home to 35 different roller coasters over the years. Rounding out the offerings, Cedar Point has hosted numerous other ride types, and indoor attractions have always had their part to play in the lineup. These have ranged from walk-through funhouses and aquarium exhibits to full dark rides. Relocated from Freedomland, USA, Cedar Point installed Earthquake and Pirate Ride in consecutive years 1965 and 1966. These track dark rides were created by Aerodynamics and took visitors through scenes depicting the 1906 San Francisco earthquake and a swashbuckling life on the high seas. Earthquake gave its last rides in 1984, but Pirate Ride lasted longer, with the final voyages in 1996. A more ambitious indoor attraction was opened in 1990. Disaster Transport utilised the existing Avalanche Run roller coaster, enclosing it in a giant building and overlaying it with an extensive space theme. This unusual attraction closed in 2012, but is still sorely missed by park visitors. Its unique theme within Cedar Point, as well as its welcome air conditioning, mean that the ride is fondly remembered. The closure of Disaster Transport marked the last major indoor ride to be located at Cedar Point. In Europe, dark rides and indoor coasters are frequently installed as headline attractions. Symbolica at Efteling is a trackless ride on a grand scale, and was installed with a budget to match many major roller coasters. More recently, Movie Park Germany and PortAventura's additions have been elaborate indoor roller coasters. In the United States, Disney and Universal have always relied heavily on indoor attractions. Smaller parks have also installed enclosed rides. This year, Silver Dollar City premiered the updated Fire in the Hole attraction. Outside of these, even Six Flags have installed their Justice League Battle for Metropolis attraction at many of its locations. Being the flagship Cedar Fair park, Cedar Point should lead from the front, with the construction of a large-scale modern indoor attraction. One option for the park is a smaller indoor dark ride, possibly appealing to families, with numerous locations available around the park to site such an attraction. While this would fit the gap, my opinion is that Cedar Point should create a well-themed indoor roller coaster. This could be done with a scope and scale that gains worldwide recognition, ensuring it is a draw for the public. Space is available that would facilitate the construction of a show building for such a ride. Near the front of the park, operational areas could be relocated, creating a plot in previous behind-the-scenes areas. Further back, Soak City and hotel parking could be reconfigured, providing an ideal canvas for construction. Even the recently closed Snake River Falls plot could be used in conjunction with the Frontier Fling area to create a sizable, albeit unusually shaped, space of development. While the introduction of an indoor-themed ride is on my wish list for the park, my true belief is that Cedar Point's next installation will stick to the tried and tested formula, opening a world-class roller coaster to appeal to its core demographic.